Hey, United Dojos Nation, welcome back. Technique Tuesdays is back. We started last week, back by popular demand again. I really want to thank everybody. Over the last several months, I've been trying to catch up on stuff, and so many people said, well, what happened to Technique Tuesday? I got busy on Tuesdays, but I'm very honored and happy. And last week, we started our series on the KOSHO RYU KEMPO. Sensei Jacob is helping me out. This is the KOSHO RYU KEMPO MON, KOSHO RYU Shochiko by Family Coat of Arms, each hand posture representing a different sub-art. So we started with Keegan last week. This week we're moving to KAISHU. So KAISHU represents controlling arts. We say blocking to the younger students. So instead of just not getting hit, I'm making sure I don't get hit again or there's no follow-up. So we're going to work that. Now, Senpai Jacob's going to be striking for real. When I do it, I want to face punch and I want it at full speed and power. That's not how you should learn or practice, of course, but it's how we're going to do it right now. So, ready? He's going to be punching for the face. Now, I'm still going to escape. It goes in order, but as I escape, I'm going to control that arm or body. Okay? I'm going to keep that from hitting me. So, whether I go to the inside or the outside, I don't have to control by doing the arm. So blocking is just one way. I can control by touching the body, okay? So timing is critical here. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to the other side, my director says, so they can see the punching hand. So again, I still have to escape, but you see if you throw your secondary, I've taken his structure away, okay? So I can do that in the upper body. I can do that in the lower body, okay? So I didn't strike him, but I checked his hip structure. So I'm escaping, and now I'm controlling his. I can do that by capturing the arm, okay? So we're going to throw a second punch this time. So 1, 2. By accelerating the second or controlling the second strike, you can see that Jacob misses by a mile. All right, thank you, sir. He just likes to keep going like the ever-ready bunny and punching. So that is a representation of KAISHU, not the only one. This also represents the striking arts female, Ona, as well as to metaphysical, view people from a distance. There's a mountain theory I'll talk about next time. But for now, play with the controlling arts, have fun, and I'll see you on the mat.